Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the curridriver.com or Curri. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically an app that will help you get a job. So for example, you deliver items for them. So basically you're just a driver or a rider or somebody who picks something up and drops it at a location, or for example somebody's house. So as you can see, they have nationwide coverage basically in the US. So as you can see, if you're wondering if it's legit or not, we have it here on sidehustles.com, and their verdict is that Curri's rates are compatible to what you'll find on other delivery apps, but with more variation. It can be good source of income or gigs, but it shouldn't be your only app. So basically, if you want to make a lot of money or have a main income, this is not the one. I'm just gonna say right off the bat, this is gonna make you some money, but it can't be your main or daily income, since it's a bit unstable, since there are a lot of people already setting up to this, and it's not basically guaranteed that you'll get a ride or a delivery every day or every hour. So as you can see, the eligibility must be 18 years old and have a valid SSN, TIN, or EIN, have a commercial auto insurance, and live in a supported location. So it doesn't work internationally, it's only in the US or for that specific country. So as you can see here, it's in the US. So as you can see, order size, driving distance, it depends on that. So Curri also features gigs that involve much longer distances like other apps like DoorDash. So that could be very tiring. However, I would advise you to trust more to those apps like delivery, like DoorDash and Uber and a lot more, since they are more manageable and more compatible or competitive prices, since those have daily orders. So for example, you're delivering from another city to another city, that it won't be very reliable, since that would be very tiring and there's not a lot of delivery from city to city or state to state. So rather than going with DoorDash and Uber, if you're just delivering food, a lot of people are ordering food every day, so that's more reliable than ordering from another country or another state. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.